I'm here at Offshore Europe 2015. I'm with Stephen Buchan, who's the Sales and Marketing Manager for Mo & Co. Stephen, you provide a lot of safety equipment and fireproof equipment for workers in the oil and gas industry. I mean, what sort of products do you provide and so what markets are you aiming at?
We supply all the workwear for the oil and gas industry, mainly coveralls, safety footwear, gloves, head-to-toe PPE, we call it. Very popular products and much needed, obviously, in the oil and gas industry. It's very important to have, obviously, you need flame retardant coveralls whilst working offshore, and to have all the key products, obviously, while they're working in the environments they work in.
It's obviously keeping people warm, keeping them safe from heat and stuff, but also the safety, the high vis. I mean, it's so important when you're working on platforms.
Visibility obviously would be very poor, but mainly the products that we sell are the flame retardant coveralls. As I said, the footwear. Ankle support's very important. Zip side is one of our boots that we give the latest technology in waterproof using out-dry fabric. But yeah, this is popular and very busy business for us.
And I take it obviously North Sea be a big part of your business, but is your products, is it a global thing?
It's worldwide, yeah, it is, yeah. Our clients are worldwide, so we have to go with that demand, so yeah, it's very popular globally.
What's the differences obviously between supplying perhaps somewhere in the North Sea with the climate there and perhaps Brazil or one of the warmer climates?
The fabrics that are in the material, really, we go with lightweight material for working in the likes of Brazils or further afield in warm climates, but the North Sea was where we started, and we are an Aberdeen base, but we're now a global supplier, so it's quite fantastic that we've gone with that trend, but yeah.
You talked through some of obviously the safety, the gloves. I mean, stuff like that here. Is that basically the fire resistant stuff?
No, impact is a big thing with gloves. This last sort of 12 months in the industry. Impact gloves obviously give the protection in the back of the hands. The bones are exposed in the back of the hands, more in the palm of the hand. So a lot of the gloves now they've come into the marketplace of back of the hand protection for any slips or breakages of any knuckles or bones. So two popular pairs. We work with companies. Ergodyne's this brand, Superior is this brand here that we work closely with and supply their gloves to the industry.
I guess this is sort of an example of new technology it's an ongoing thing there.
Yeah.
People need different.
It's very innovative. It's always new products are coming out. We make sure we're at the forefront of supplying our customers with these top products because we have to be, because safety is the key important thing.
To that end, Stephen, how important is an event like Offshore Europe for your company? Because I mean, you mentioned it's a global market you're working in, and I guess this is an example.
It's very important for us to be here to see our current clients and potential new clients that we can help. There's a lot of people that have been on our stand today maybe didn't know of us and have realised that they should be working and looking at products that are slightly more safer than they're maybe using at the moment, if I use that terminology. So we can help people. Hopefully this will grow our business slightly more. It's our third show we've been to, so they've worked the other two, so let's fingers crossed this one's a successful one as well.
And how's your response been from some of the people coming today?
So far so good, yeah, so far so good. You don't know until the leads are finally through and you've managed to digest an exhibition like this. There's a lot of throughput, you're collecting business cards and looking at leads, so all you can do is just follow them up and see how they go from there.
Stephen, thank you very much for your time.
No problem, thanks Stephen. Yeah, thank you.